Going on, everybody? Welcome. Can you guys hear me? Test. Cupcakes Anonymous first. Let's go. Here we go. Yo, yo. Good evening, Andrew. What's up? Vicious Gamer, Oliver. Guys, we have futures in 55 seconds. 55 seconds. We have futures. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. I want to hear the guesses. Let me hear it. We gap up or we gap down? We gap up, guys, or we gap down on futures? My guess is I say we move down on futures. I think futures are going to be red, but obviously it doesn't really matter. Chill Sunday, of course, banana, not chill Sunday. We're vibing, we're chilling back. We have 30 seconds for futures. 4K. Yes, guys, Kathy Wood's ARC put a price target of 4,000 on Tesla, which we're going to cover right now. We're going to go over it. Even the bear case is 1,500 for Tesla by 2025. We're going to cover that right now. We're going to go over it. But I think Tesla's going to see a gap up. I forgot we even had Tesla. This came out yesterday. Up? You guys think up? All right, let's see it. We got 3 seconds. Two, one. Here we go. Ooh, down. We moved down. I kind of had a feeling we were going to open lower. But we're bouncing now. Here we go. Futures are live. Let's take a look at the E-mini S&P 500 also down. Oh, we just came back. It just rebounded. We're barely even red, guys. Futures are barely red. Let's see. Did you guys see Coinbase? They're gonna be taking Cardano. Cardano. Um, it's CB. I can't find your DM for your gift card. I've been looking and I can't find it. Oh, we're pulling back now again, guys. We are seeing some action here, unlike last week. Last week we were pretty much flat. We did not see any action last week, and as of now, we are pulling back. I'd hate to see a bloody week. We are in for a crazy week once again. Rowan Kitty tweeted, Jen, I believe you. I'm gonna check. Oh my God, guys, he tweeted last week at the same time my futures. He knows futures are in action right now. Robert Brown, good evening. What did he tweet? Michael Jackson? No way. Michael Jackson. What does this mean? Somebody decode this? Moonwalker. Moonwalker. That's an interesting one. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Moonwalk? Wow. Yeah, we're going. Dan, you're back. Welcome back, Dan. Dan, I don't know what was going on last week. Dan, I guess I'm gonna take like a while for it to unban you or unshadow ban you, I guess. Dan, I always believed you. Just last Friday, Rowan K was going off, tweet after tweet. I didn't have you axed. I did not have you axed. I don't have anybody here on the shadow ban list unless they come in and just like spam. Or like those WhatsApp bots. Oh, those are the worst, man. The WhatsApp bots. Who here got a reply? I don't know how they keep coming. But futures are down, guys. Hello from Hawaii. Welcome. Give me 1 second. I want to see what people say on this tweet. Moonwalker, that's a good one. I think that's what he meant. Dan got messed up again. All right. I don't think Tesla's gonna drop. No, absolutely not. I think Tesla's gonna see a gap up, guys. Tesla, I think, is gonna gap up tomorrow. Kathy Wood once again saving me. Saved me the first time around a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna get some water really quick. Give me a second. Let's see it. Let's see it. I couldn't stop looking at AMC, guys. It's just it looks so wrong. This chart does not look right at all. This is something you see on a penny stock, man. Look at this. This is crazy. I still can't believe it. And from the looks of it right now, with futures being red, I don't know how much more volatility or how bad these swings are going to be on futures before pre-market, but if the market's red, we might see some pressure here on AMC, possibly back down to like 13 bucks. That's what I think. We've been testing that trend line pretty solidly, guys. Even on the pullbacks, we do manage to bounce, but it doesn't look too strong here, especially after the manipulation that happened Friday. I would not be surprised for a pullback. All right, we're bouncing here on futures, but pretty much red still. Let's check out Tesla really quick. Does anyone here have Tesla? Anyone have some Tesla? Some Tesla? Well, I have some. I only have 10 of Tesla though. Tesla calls. I only have shares, but I wanted to add more, but it did not come down under six. Did not come down under six. So my guess is we gap up on Tesla back to like 700. I think 700 tomorrow is possible. Tesla puts. Wow. Take a look at this, guys. ARC's predicted scenarios. 2025 target and the significance. Expected value 3,000. Significance, this projection is our base case for Tesla stock price and our 2025 based on our Monte Carlo analysis. The bear case is still 1,500 for the 2025 target. We believe that there is a 25% probability that Tesla could be worth 1,500 per share or less in 2025. This is Tesla, by the way. Bull case 4,000. That's just music to my ears. We believe that there's a 25% probability again that Tesla could be worth 4,000 per share or more in 2025. What do you guys think? 2025? No, see, at 700 is easy pre-market tomorrow. I think we see a significant gap up tomorrow. Yeah, 4 years is a long time. Going to 550. Even if we drop any further on Tesla back down to 500, I'm going to be buying and just holding. So Tesla's my favorite go-to day trade, swing trade. But I mean, with this vision, this price target, it kind of gives me some confidence. YouTube doesn't want you using emojis? What? All right, looks like we're bouncing back. Any AMC profits are going to get dumped into Tesla. EV market is going to go up, so I believe 3K is very probable. Yes, I think there was some news from Audi or Audi. Audi, let's see. See, Audi engine. Someone put this in the Discord. I can't find it. Oh, Neo as well. I mean, obviously Neo is cheaper, way cheaper than Tesla, And it seems to have this. It's exactly the same pattern as Tesla, by the way. Same exact pattern. So if Tesla gaps up, Neil's gonna probably gap up to like 46. GameStop on earnings will go parabolic. It's written in the stars. I know. I'm still trying to get my hands on the PS5, guys. I'm gonna get one tonight for you guys. I'm still trying. They're all sold out everywhere, by the way. So you pretty much have to pay resale for that. You can't get any more retail unless you wait for restock. But oh, that's the situation on the PS5 giveaway. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I have not decided. We have not come to a conclusion on that yet. To be honest, I don't. It's very hard to come up with a price target for AMC right now for me. I don't really have a price target right now for AMC. As it's from where it's at, I don't have one. But you can still see this uptrend though. Let me remove this circle. There we go. You can see the clear uptrend. We're still above SMA. We're still building off these higher support levels. So if anything, if we even if this week we trade sideways around 14, maybe test $15, that's still looking very, very solid. But then again with the whole earnings from GameStop coming on Tuesday, guys, if GameStop blows out of the waters and hits $300, AMC's probably gonna follow. Am I worried about the dilution? I was a little at first, yes. At first, I was just a lot came to my mind. It was just like a stab in my confidence. But I'm still thinking up to right now. You guys have to what May 4th, I believe. May 4th, right? March, April, May 4th to decide on your vote. What's up, Thomas? Welcome. Rocket Thomas is in the house. And then it says there was a couple keywords there. There was the keywords and then the 500 million. So it wasn't saying they were gonna just initially here dilute. I forgot. Let me look at what it said. There was two keywords that stuck to me. No. What are those two keywords? Yeah, May 4th. I even heard on Robinhood users it took a while for them to receive the email. The option to yes. There we go. The right, not obligation. That has me thinking. Look at futures, guys. Futures are pulling back. CNBC's already on it on Twitter. Stock futures slip as Wall Street looks to rebound from a losing week. Man, we're pulling back. I mean, last week futures were pretty much flat. Had Robinhood and emailed them and got my vote today. Who here already voted? Who here right off the bat voted? And who here has not? They put this email out yesterday morning is when I saw it. New tweet, yes, Roaring Kitty tweeted at 3 p.m. right at futures open. Not yet. I voted. Don't vote too early. Yeah, I haven't even voted. Boris says my Tesla puts are gonna print. I'll be a little worried, honestly, if I had some puts. If you haven't seen, this is the new price target from Kathy Wood's ARC. I think just this alone might cause a gap up, but you might get lucky. This might actually play in your favor if futures actually take a huge dump before pre-market, heading into the market open. Oh yeah, you could change your vote as well. I appreciate that, Michael Washington. I appreciate that. Welcome to the channel. I truly do. No, all the way down. Yeah, it's a no for me for dilution off the bat. Absolutely not. Guys, I was checking Fintel earlier, right? Obviously, I know we have a little for Fintel, a little bad sentiment, but take a look at these numbers for GameStop. As of yesterday, 150K available, and then on Friday we had a 400 to 500, but the fee is still under one. Now take a look at AMC's. It's at a million, I believe. A million, and then the fees at 1.3. You see, has Ehor tweeted anything? Melvin Cat, I saw that the lawsuit, right? A waterfowl. You have nothing from TD Ameritrade yet? You should have received it yesterday morning, honestly. Oh yeah, I went to the movie. Did you see the news about AMC ticket sales this weekend in LA? I did not see that. Can you like where'd you find that at? 11 lawsuits filed. Yeah, I saw that the lawsuit. Melvin was one of them. PSTH, no. I don't know what that is. PSTH, let's take a look. Pershing Square. What's up, Kevin Good? What's up, Kevin Good? Or welcome back. Yeah, the weekend stream, chill vibes. You guys like the weekend streams? Obviously, other than futures and crypto, just chill vibes. Yeah, Pershing Square is Bill Ackman. Man, every time I hear Bill Ackman, I just think back like a year ago. Did you guys ever get a chance to see when Bill Ackman went on CNBC and literally now it's funny to me now that I think about it because I fell for it. He was shilling, spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt. He literally sounded scared like for his life. Did you guys see that? And it turned out he made like $2 billion or some ridiculous number. Man, let me see if I could find that. That was so. Oh, he scared me when I saw that. Bill Ackman, CM. Yeah, hell is coming. No one's seen that. No one saw that. Weekend lives are the way to go. Getting ready for the week. Yeah, just chill vibes. He called the bottom of the crash. Let me see. Where is it at? All right, I think this is it. 20 billion, right? Watch. Oh, they only show like 10 seconds. It was worse than this. Hear this out. It was worse than this, though.
Hell is coming. Okay? And I felt, it's really, I've never had this experience before in my life. The closest I had was the financial crisis where I'm saying, things are coming, bad stuff's coming. But this was a feeling like I've never had. Like there's a tsunami coming, right? The tsunami's coming and you feel it in the air.
Do I think that a crash is gonna come? Honestly, I don't. It depends what you consider a crash. I think we might see a minor retracement or a minor pullback, but I don't think we'll see anything too crazy. The last couple of retracements we had, we immediately just bounced back and we kept going up. Stonks only go up, man. Every time I've been wanting to just buy, I'm just like, you know what, this might be a little toppy here. It might come down and pull back. Nope, new highs. I'm gonna wait a little more. Maybe I'll get a pullback. New highs. It was the Michael Jackson halftime show, and you guys were saying that means moonwalk. Let's see what people are saying. Michael Jackson Super Bowl 1993, moonwalking. Yeah, weekends suck now for me. Ever since I got into the stock market, weekends are boring. I need that momentum. I need that volatility, man. So far, not so good for futures, guys. Obviously, we're in just like what 7 minutes since open. Actually, 22 minutes. What am I saying? 22 minutes. Yeah, guys, AMC was so strong on Friday. AMC should have hit 16, 17 bucks easily. Easily. We had a price target of $18 on AMC on Friday. Obviously, we did not hit that, but you never know. If that wall wasn't there, if it was not getting manipulated, AMC might have saw 18 bucks. That would have been crazy. I'm a stock addict. I wake up every day before alarms. I wake up the alarm. The alarm doesn't wake up me. That's how it goes now. Yes, we've talked about that. The Coinbase, the Coinbase IPO in the summer. I believe they come out in the summer, right? Coinbase IPO. I have an addiction problem of buying AMC. Guys, I wonder. This is only a mistake I would do. All right, so I bought tickets, right, for the movie Wonder Woman. It was supposed to be for Friday, right? There I am. I go up. We show up, and I'm there with the tickets, and I scan it, and the guy's like, "There's an error. Like it's not going through right." Immediately, I knew I bought the wrong date for sure. It's only a mistake I would make. I checked the date, and it's for Saturday, which was yesterday. I'm there like, oh my God. So I had to watch another movie, Tenant. Did you guys see that movie Tenant, which is so confusing? If you haven't watched it, get ready for your smooth brain to start hurting because the movie starts playing backwards mid movie. It's so insane. But it was pretty dope. It was pretty dope. You walk in there, everyone has their own seat. Obviously, there's still distance between the seats. They're not open at 100% capacity yet, and obviously there was a little error with the projector. It was broken, I guess. The projector was broken, and the first thing I'm like, oh my God, and I could have sworn someone said we like to stock. I could have sworn someone said that in there. Someone said we like to stock, and I'm just there, and I get goosebumps as I hear that. And then the screen just turns black, and it says, "Welcome back to the movies." I had a headache after the whole movie. Yeah, I was out of it. It's not really a spoiler since the beginning. It's you'll see it. You'll see it. You'll see what I mean. I need to look up the theories. Can't- Blockbuster and a few or Red Box or was it the Red Box outside of the 7-Elevens? Man, there was quite a lot of people there that night, by the way. And I bought 4 gift cards for you guys. 4 gift cards. It's like you'll never walk into an AMC again and not think of the stock. That's the way I see it. Every time I see this logo, guys, it's just nostalgic, you know? I'll never go to another movie that's not an AMC. And every time I walk in there, I'm gonna think of the stock. That's how it's gonna be. Even GameStop. Waterfall. What's Doge at? Last week Doge was like 3 or 5. Dogecoin. Yeah, Guy Angelo. I had no idea what was going on in that movie. Pretty sure 100% of the crowd there didn't either. It was just so confusing. To 5 again. Was it what was it last week? 3 or 5? We every time I hear "We Like the Song," I think of Jim Cramer. Yeah, Rick. This is based on time travel. Yeah, I think the director was Christopher Nolan. He's the guy who I think he was Interstellar, right? One of my favorite movies. Interstellar, Christopher Nolan. Or the best movie ever, Interstellar. If you have never seen that movie's like the best. It'll have you feeling like you don't mean anything in existence wise. Very, very, very good movie. Yeah, Christopher Nolan. Jim Cramer is Jamer. Yeah, Jamer. We have Jamer right here. Let me grab him. Yeah, Inception was also a good movie. Interstellar's a nasty movie in a good way, right? Is that what you mean? Did you guys see that volcano that went off in Iceland? That earthquake that hit Japan? In a good way, that movie makes you think you're about your existence. What was everyone's last movie in theater before the Rona? That's a good question. Honestly, I don't know. There was a live feed. I need to see that. Child's Play. Well, good thing you saw Tenet instead of Wonder Woman. I feel like Wonder Woman was more of a drama than action. Birds of Prey, Invisible Man. Are you guys making the movies or what? I've never heard of these movies. Birds of Prey, Invisible Man. Futures are still red. We are still waiting for that bounce. Let me see that bounce. Go green, man. I think who here has not got the stimulus? Put GameStops in AMC's lobbies where you can see and play new games coming out, and you could pre-order them. Then go buy some chicken tendies and go watch your movie. Don't they have like little games there already? By the way, like in theaters, in certain theaters, little arcade. I have been stimulated. Wonder Woman was trash. Really? I guess see everything happens for a reason, man. Everything happens for a reason. Kevin says I'm not at work today welding. I'm currently in a bath. That's the life. Bad Boys 3. I have some CCIV. I only have 10 shares of CCIV though, but I'm not planning to sell any of them for years to come. Let me see. Everyone's saying Wonder Woman was garbage. HOFV, I think we went over this one. Oh, this is the Hall of Fame. Yes, this is NFT, right? Talk about NFTs. If I'm not mistaken, this is an NFT play. Matt Course prediction of Tesla going into the 1000s by when? Because these are the price targets we have from ARK by 2025. Expected value of 3K, bear case 1500, and bull case 4000. It looks like futures just popped right now. Back up. We're trying to go flat right now, barely going from red to green. Trace tweet. No, let's see it. Let me see it. Would anyone mind sending this to my wife's boyfriend? Well, is that really on Wikipedia? There's no way. Let's see it. Wikipedia Melvin Capital. No, I was photoshopped. My photo on Discord made me nostalgic. I need to go to the movies. Yeah, they played a little scene where it says "Welcome back to the movies" right before the movie started. Everyone, everyone was cheering. Everyone was cheering when they saw that. They were clapping. It was fantastic. You guys need to experience that. I get goosebumps. I get the chills when I talk about that. Something I'll never forget. Returning back to the movies. Like Smash, ready for the ride? Yeah, if you guys enjoyed these Sunday live streams, smash that like button, baby. I'm keeping my Tesla stonks clenched. Yeah, I'm gonna hold my Tesla shares. If there's a gap up and we see a potential move this week, they should be printing. They should be printing. Prediction for GameStop this week. I don't have a prediction for this week yet, but by Tuesday, the closing day, my prediction is right around 250s. So basically on GameStop, we go back to the 1 hour. Let's pull this bad boy up. What do you guys see here? That previous resistance right around 183, we broke past that, came down, double bottomed, retested it twice around 184. So far we're at 200, back again 200. So even with earnings being the next earnings call being the next biggest catalyst, I can see a cup and handle back to 250s, maybe even 280s. I'm so like nervous for GameStop. I'm so excited though. Oh yeah, I actually thought that was real on Wikipedia. I mean, since you could pretty much edit anything on there, I believe. We're going to visit the rover on Mars. Let me see. Let's see what people are saying on Twitter. Oh, that Cordy and Roaring Kitty, the Moonwalker, Diamond Hand Moonwalker. This could be GameStop's most anticipated and watched earnings in their history. Absolutely, I agree. This is the earnings week, guys, from Earnings Whisper. Look at this. Out of everything here, the only thing that stands out is GameStop. Maybe even Blink. I'll see you tomorrow, Vlad. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for stopping by. Watching a movie at your house will never be like going to the movies. I completely agree. People think that that is the future. I say no. I love the movie theater. I love the movie theater as well. I might be biased a little bit. I don't have any Netflix account. And I don't know, it's hard for me sometimes to just sit down and watch a movie. I don't know why. I don't know why. Shares of GameStop do you own? These are all my positions, guys. All my positions. AMC, BlackBerry, GMBL, GME, CCIV, BlackBerry, which I forgot I even had. A BlackBerry, GSAH. I forgot we had Visa, Walmart, and Tesla. Take a look at Visa. How did Visa close? Did Visa close near its lows? Most likely, yes, it did. 206 new low. We are playing the dead cat on this one, guys. Visa. Um, I think this one was actually brought up by a member here in the live chat. Visa and I forgot what other play were brought up, so I appreciate you guys throwing in some plays here. Sometimes I do end up liking the plays, and I hop in and open a position. So Visa is one we have, only 5 shares, and I do plan to add more. That's why I have my alert here at 205. Keep in mind, these stop losses might trigger at 200 if it actually pulls back under 200 and continues to sell off next week. So that's why I only bought 5 shares. Small position. I sold my Visa. I got scared. Yeah, I was pulling back even more, but this is my dead cat play right here. Michael, I'm gonna get the PS5 by tonight. So I guess my other boy that said he had the PS5s, I guess he's still waiting for a restock, and I gotta get that PS5 quick for you guys. So yeah, we hit 15K. Thank you guys for 15K subs. You guys are insane. Super grateful for you guys. So I'm doing a PS5 giveaway for those of you that are new that just tuned in, and I'm still waiting to get that PS5. And hopefully by Wednesday or Tuesday we have something figured out on how we're gonna be doing that giveaway. Yeah, Monday. Every week it's just it gets more crazier. There's always something to look for in the stock market. Movie theater experience is the best, especially going with friends and family. Absolutely agree. I don't trade options at all anymore. Yeah, Visa was being investigated for some shady stuff. Debit card charges, right? Where was it at? DOJ. There's debit card practices. Yes. I mean, I don't think it'll go under 200. The last time it dropped at this price was like a 202. So even if it does come under 200 and you're not in, it'll look like a steal, like a really good deal to me. That's just me. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I am a smooth brain ape. What's a stop loss? I don't know. I don't have I don't have a stop loss. Would you buy Visa if it dips under 200 and hold them for long term? Yes, I would add more on my Visa position. What about Arby's giveaway? You guys like the Arby's, huh? Don't sell Visa, get revenge, make money back from those companies that make money off of you. I never thought about it that way. Man, that earnings call, guys, on Tuesday for GameStop, it's gonna be like this guy said, one of the most forward. Like it's just crazy the amount of people that are gonna be watching and hearing it on that GameStop call. All right, there's futures. We're about to go green on futures, guys. This stream is sponsored by Buffalo Wild Wings. Oh, what's up, William? Happy Sunday. Futures falling on certain market. What's up? What's up? Let's get ready for this money. Yes, our futures fell. Obviously, CNBC was really quick to put on a tweet, but as of now, we're only down six points on futures. Thoughts on AMC dilution? I'm pretty sure everyone that saw that right away, it's like a jab right at your confidence. But um, I still haven't voted. You guys have till May 4th. I'm still processing everything, trying to think of possible scenarios. But it doesn't make sense that Adam Aaron or dilute again. I mean, like you guys said, there's a couple keywords in there. The obligation and right. Those were the keywords, right? Let me see. I forget the keywords. Where's it at? Where's it at? Or it's like we reserve the right, right? I think that's what it was. It's just like save it in your arsenal for future. But then again, I start to think if AMC squeezes and it shoots up to like $30, what are the chances they dilute again? That's what I keep thinking. But then again, I go back to the fact that he bought like 500,000 shares for his two kids on March 17th. That was filed. Like some things don't make sense yet to me. That's why I'm still thinking about that. Totally rigged. You guys have the giveaways, huh? Futures are barely red, guys. NBA freak. Futures are barely red. Let me get my charger. My phone is gonna die really quick. Let's see. Apple hit 123 this week. You're pretty much in futures hands for Apple, guys. If it pulls back 123 or you said down or 123, right? I think 123 is possible. We have a pretty strong week. Usually Mondays are the best days of the week for me. Mondays are the most anticipated, are one of my favorite days out of the week for trading. Mondays. So I think 123 is possible. I have my alert, by the way. I have my alert at 116. Just in case it double bottoms here and it pulls back under, I'm gonna hop in. The ape costume. Let's see. NGA. What is this? Northern Genesis. I don't like the momentum, man. Very thinly traded. EV truck company expecting a merger. I'm probably gonna pass on this one. Specs merger, partner, Line Electrics, announcement of new construction of a new plant. I'll see you tomorrow, Cupcakes. Thanks for tuning on in. Any DD on Fidelity? I don't know what you mean by that, Berto. That too, that too. GameStop has not even they haven't announced anything. They didn't even follow AMC and dilute. Unrequired third parties financing or do better themselves. Smarter than your average bear. For sure, I just feel it in my gut that GameStop's gonna unleash something massive on Tuesday. They've been too quiet too long. Too quiet too long. Here's how to watch GameStop's earnings report this Tuesday. All eyes will all eyes will on the company's first earnings report since the epic January short squeeze kicked off. 5 p.m. Eastern. Let's see futures. What's Bitcoin at, guys? Let's see. I know I did not hit a new high, or else it would have been all over Twitter for sure. Let me see. 57. What's up, Ski Wolf? Welcome back. Futures are about to go green, guys. A sleeping giant is about to wake up. GameStop. Yes. It's exactly what I think it is. A sleeping giant. Have you seen the chart? 3 week bullish, 3 week bearish, 3 week bullish, and now we're on 1 week, a possible 3 week bearish. So it's 3 and then 3 and then 3. Interesting analysis, Ernie. So we have 3 weeks green, 3 pullback, 3 upward, and now we're on the first pullback. Even for GameStop consolidating above 180, even better, 200, it's still above that previous resistance, guys. Futures are so close to going green. Yeah, it's crazy. I didn't notice that. Mine's showing 57,753. If GameStop goes back to 300, how much do you think AMC will go? I mean, even on Friday, GameStop shot up midday to like 226, and we did not see anything on AMC just because it was being manipulated. So I don't know. Yeah, everything comes in threes. Yeah, I've heard that from Nikola Tesla. Everything comes in threes. Think about it. It's first place, second place, third place. You don't really say, "Oh, I came in fourth place." You know, it's just like first place, second place, third place. What else? The sides of a triangle. Three. Um, the Three Musketeers. The Three Berenstein Bears. What else? I guess you could say for stocks, NYC, the NYC, the Dow, the price of my GME shares 3 trillion. Yeah. Goldilocks and the Three Bears, yes. The number of boyfriends my wife has. The Three Bears, yes. Yeah, Sunday fun. Yeah, guys, we're just chill vibes today. Take it easy before a crazy week. 4 is an unlucky number in some places. I never heard about that. The Three Little Pigs. I forgot about the Three Little Pigs. Yeah, 369. 369 are like Nikola Tesla's favorite numbers. 36. You know Tesla, what I read about him before? Before he walked into a building, he would walk around the building 3 times before he walked in. Did you guys ever read that? That's something I read that till this day I don't understand why. Let me see. He always did everything in 3. Yeah, really, really insane. The Three Musketeers, yes. March is the third month. The 21st day, which is today, 2 plus 1 equals 3. The 21st year, 2 plus 1 equals 3. I agree with that, with you on that, Robert. He's just weird, probably. I don't think so. He was way ahead of his time. 962. I know. Do you guys remember 962 from the congressional hearing? Who was that guy? The New York Stock Exchange. Well, what was he? He wasn't the. Was he the president of the NYSE? He had a number in the back of his Zoom of his background, and it said 962. Which I always take that into consideration. Call me a conspiracy theorist, whatever you want. Yeah, the 962 in the background. And I was like, what could that mean? The real short interest of GameStop, maybe? Look at the elevators in Japan. They don't have a fourth floor. Really? There was a compulsive disorder. Maybe he was right that 369 out of the numbers. Squeeze to 4K. No, that's the price target from ARC by 2025 for Tesla. The head of the SEC. Gary Gensler. No, that wasn't him. I could have sworn he was NYC something. NYC congressional. What stops him? Nothing. The SEC can. but we haven't seen anything. You guys thought it was the SEC guy who had the 962. I thought it was the NYC something related to the New York Stock Exchange. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna do anything. Hmm. You were wrong. It was another guy. AMC, it's about 15 bucks. Tomorrow I have to meet some edibles for celebration. Futures are green. Futures are green, guys. Futures just went green. This is Nasdaq futures, by the way, on the left hand side. That's why some of you probably are wondering, like, why is it ticking? You know, it's Sunday. And you analyze AMC, I want to buy on the dip. If there's a dip for AMC, it's definitely going to be right around $13. That'll be the first initial test at $13. And if it does come down, the next level is going to be 12.30. That's the next level I would possibly add on the dip. I never trust futures. Yeah, I take futures with a grain of salt. Things can really change quick in the coming hours before market opens. Hmm. Let me see. 10-year. The 10-year still, it was at 1.7. Oh yeah, thank you, Robert, for showing me how to pull up the 10-year on Think or Swim. So if I remember correctly, you go to Analyze. Oh, I have it here. You go to Economic Data, and it's DGS10, and you can take a look at 10 years. This goes back to 11 or max. Look at this. I don't think Tesla's going to be super bearish next week or this coming week. VLDR, I'll take a look at that right now. Do you think this vote of AMC's possibly play out to put pressure on hedgies to accumulate and bar shares sooner? I even think I even think that it can also be for a recount, and they don't follow through with the dilution. There's just so many possibilities we don't know. Hi Marcos, welcome back. This is futures. 962 stands for good luck. Yeah, I think someone mentioned that Friday. I need to look that up. Pedestrian safety. Wait, what's your plan on VLDR? What is your trading plan on VLDR? Because from the looks of it, it has not bounced aggressively since $22, honestly. What is this, like mid-February? Very choppy as well. Yeah, there's a document that explains every number except 369 are related to physics, physical things, physics, math. I invested at $15. I'm assuming you were trying to catch a rebound. You're invested or you're trading. Two very different things. Investing and trading. Earnings, earnings on 5/6 May sometime out. As for a trade for me, I wouldn't trade this. That's just me though. Rolls Royce, RYCY, over the counter, right? Rolls Royce, I believe, is over the counter. I mean, this is like how AMC was trading guys on Friday, like a penny stock. This is not right. Rolls Royce hopes 5.6 billion. 2020 loss leaves the worst behind. Man, I don't even think people are out there just buying Rolls Royces. Jet engine maker wants a 2.7 cash. Oh yeah, I forgot Rolls Royce makes jet engines too. Calling will not dilute in any way, shape, or form. Too smart for that. Remains to be seen how many calls. Hedge was over the barrel, perhaps me in the middle. I mean, I think if they would have diluted, they would have done so. Back late January, early Feb. Tesla to 4K by 2025. Here you go. Kathy would save me one time a couple weeks ago. Looks like she's about to save me again. This might also cause a gap up on Tesla head into tomorrow, guys. I know some of you guys have calls, shares, puts. So just putting this information out there. Rolls working on electric jet engines. Oh yeah, I was live. I don't know what's up with YouTube. YouTube does not tell people when we are live. If you guys are enjoying it, if you guys want more of these Sunday live streams, let me know. I love these Sunday live streams. Very chill, laid back vibes. Drop a like as well if you're enjoying it. It truly helps with the channel and the algorithm. More weekend streams, absolutely. Penny stock, penny share, occasionally a 200-500% increase. It's something you don't want to be in. I used to love penny stocks when I first started trading, but now I avoid them. Cardano, yes, Cardano went on they went live on Coinbase, I believe. Coinbase now has Cardano. Tesla could go bearish, but the bull runs are scary. If you can take that position, yes, that's one of the first reasons we hopped in Tesla right around when it first fell. What was it, a 539? 530, yeah, 539. I was literally just playing that bounce, guys. I was waiting for that bounce. This is all I wanted, the rebound, and that's exactly what we got. Of course, I had a bad position. I had like 50 shares, 55 shares at 649 average. Horrible price. So also, I'm not gonna lie, the pullbacks do get scary sometimes. Does get aggressive both ways. So just be very careful and mindful. Think or Some by TD Ameritrade. That's my favorite. If you knew the magnificence of the 369, you would have the keys to the universe. Quote by Nikola Tesla. One of my favorite quotes. He goes like, "If you want to unlock the keys to the universe, think in terms of frequency, vibrations, and energy." That's the quote. One of my favorite ones as well. Anyone have Cardano? Louis, thank you for the donor. I appreciate that. Thank you for supporting the channel. Hear about the Melvin and Citadel lawsuit? I did. I believe it was only Citadel though, or Melvin. or both. But I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it was only Melvin. Oh, what's your favorite trading platforms? Corey, it's Think or Swim. Think or Swim is my favorite. TD Ameritrade. It's the same thing. Yeah, there was a couple of them on the lawsuit. 11 suits. I can't wait to short Robinhood. When's their IPO? Fidelity and on AMC. Yes, they bought I think it was 500,000 shares. Let me see. It was on Fintel. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, you have till May 4th to vote, by the way. 514K. You will short them to the moon. That's literally gonna be the most shorted stock. Robinhood, watch. If NFTs can do, we can create our own ticker. I have Coinbase, Corey, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of them out there. Blockfolio, Binance. What are you guys, if you guys are trading crypto, what are you guys using and what do you guys recommend? Yeah, I'm trying to get some ADA. Robert IPO 3 times postponed for March, nearly term over. Gorilla ticker. No, I haven't voted yet. I'm gonna wait. There's still time. No need to rush it. Jordan Belfort tweeted, "Buddy baby." Voyager. Rob had a ticker. What would it be? Ticker symbol LTSGO. Let's go, baby. Louis, thank you for the donut, Louis. I truly appreciate that. You guys don't have to donate. You guys know the routine. No donations. Use that money. Buy some stocks. All we ask for is a drop or disturb that like button. Coinbase, Blockify. Jordan Belfort's podcast. Yes, I love Jordan Belfort. Give me IPO on Coinbase. The IPO for Coinbase is supposed to be this summer. They said this summer. I think the valuation is like 80 to 100 billion. Is anyone actually interested in grabbing some shares? Most definitely me. Long-term play, baby. Watch Coinbase IPO at 220. How's Roblox? I think my alert went off for a day trade. Anyone here have Roblox or is planning to trade this? I think I might catch a day trade on this one. Might. What do you think is the next sleeping giant stock I would once like to get in super early? If I had that question, man, everyone here would be multi-millionaires. Did you find a PS5 yet? Yes, I did. I should have it in a couple hours. BlackBerry. Anyone have BlackBerry? General Electric, GE. I think GE already bounced, by the way. This is another Visa type of play, type of chart pattern. Look at this. Down from 14, 15 to like 12 bucks. Look at that bounce. All the way to like 13.69. This is where the money's at right here. Even if you're able to buy some here on this dip and it continues to pull back, I would personally add more. This is exactly what's happening with Walmart, which we still have some shares in Walmart. We have a small position of 20 shares at 138, and we're still right here. We're still waiting for that bounce. Fell from like 147. Nova energy play, huh? Too choppy, honestly, guys. I see this downtrend here. This wedge, it's coming down. It's bouncing off that resistance it had at $32 back in September. If it does bounce, maybe expect a bounce to like 40 bucks, but I don't think it'll break past that. I appreciate that, D. Enjoying this chill Sunday. Yeah, chill Sunday, guys. Not a lot going on so far. Futures are green though. We bounced back from the red. GSAT. GSAT brings back memories. Global Star. Global Star. Obviously, penny stock. I remember trading this back. I don't remember the price, but it was a couple years ago. Probably like 2016, 2017 when I was trading this stock. And I got burned, man. I got burned. I won't touch it again. I have long-term calls in PLTR and GSATs. I don't have any dividend stocks, guys. That's the thing with me. I'm at heart, guys. At heart, I'm a day trader. The only thing that I've been holding, I guess you can say long is GameStop and AMC. I got burned really bad on Noble. I mean, I can't like just patience with me is very difficult. Even like I can't even hold on to Coca-Cola for long. Just having that $50 not do anything is just I could put that capital somewhere else. Here come all the freaking bots. The bots, they're in the chat, guys. The WhatsApp bots are in the chat. Mr. Richard John. These bots are they're getting smarter. Let me remove this message really quick, guys. There we go. That's how I feel about it. Yeah. I don't know what it is. Never fall in love with the stock. Globalizing Roblox. Even like Roblox, I'd consider it a day trade. If it comes down, I already have my alert for Roblox. So if it comes down under 65, as you can see here on the double bottom, I'm gonna hop in. Sam Walton rang the bell on the exchange. What a legend, Sam Walton. I highly recommend you guys read his book. It's called Built in America, I think. Sam Walton built. I forgot what it's called. Let me see. Sam Walton. Made in America. Made in America. Highly recommend you read this book. Open the markets now. You guys are funny. Yeah, that's the Walmart. That's that's the Walmart guy. Sam Walton. I got in Roblox at 66 and got out at 75. I'm thinking it might drop below 65. Yeah, this double bottom here is not looking too promising. If it does come down, watch the first test here at $60. I'm gonna set my second alert here actually, right now. The casino opens at 6:30. I disagree. I don't. Out of all the phrases, this is the casino. It's probably not the one I agree with. The founder of Walmart, known as Mr. Sam. Yeah. What a legend, Sam. Does anyone know his last? I believe it was like his last words to one of his employees who came to visit him while he was in the hospital. I forgot his last request. Does anyone have that? It was like no matter what you do, like no matter like whatever customer you meet, always have a smile on your face or something like that. That was like one of his last requests. You know how obsessed Sam Walton was? He would travel to other retail locations across the world and he would go in there, go into his competition, right? And he would lay down in the aisle. He would lay down between the aisles. Literally, you see this guy, probably you walk in there, you see a guy laying down in between the aisles. You probably think, what is this guy on? You know, he's crazy, right? But he'd measure it to the exact T, the exact measurements of how wide these aisles were and how why these aisles were different from what he had, the spacing he had. He would probably think that these guys had a competitive advantage or they had an edge over him depending on how wide those aisles were. It's insane. Like he was really dedicated. Uh no. That's my girlfriend. She gets yelled at by the customers, but she still smiles. I think that might have been the request. I do that even without measuring anything. I think about how obsessed you have to be about your business. to do that. That's what I'm scared of. More manipulation this week. Even with GameStop pushing, AMC did not push because it was obviously being held down. Futures are pushing still, guys. Oh my, hold on, give me 1 second, guys. It's May 4th, the deadline, yes. You really think T plus 1 by 2023? Or even T plus, even same T plus 0 real time, instantaneous settlement. What do you guys think about that? I worked at Sam's Club every morning. All the employees have to do a cheer. Really? T plus 0 now? Let's see. We're still ripping, guys, on futures. We are still pushing. Wow, we went from a little small gap on red to green. You guys think we continue green into market open? Let me set my alerts just in case. No more RBs. No, no more RBs. Let's set the model. That's the cup and handle on what? On GameStop? That's what I see forming, guys. On the 4 hour, take a look at this. Hey, the cup. We have the catalyst for that. We have the catalyst, which is earnings. The earnings call. Will we rip past 15? Will hedge continue to do my manipulation? That's what I think. That's the only thing I'm afraid of, the manipulation. Even this GameStop push here we had on Friday, we did not see that on AMC. Absolutely nothing. Look at this. Traded like a penny stock. AMC and GameStop will follow similar trends. We didn't see that Friday. So that's my take on A. I'm gonna add more on the dip, guys. If it does pull back, I'm gonna add more AMC, by the way. And I can kind of see it retracing here to like 1250. That's gonna be the next level of support. The quad witching day was way too hyped. That day was way too hyped up for what it was. That's why I was like a little hesitant to make a video on it. For that exact same reason. Brazil, I don't understand what you mean by Brazil. Oh, futures are still ripping, barely. We're still slightly moving, guys. Um, a lot of professionals say never buy on the dip and near average. What do you think? I don't know what you mean by that. Like buying the dip. I mean, I think that just goes against what Warren Buffett says. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. I don't know what you meant. I don't know what you mean by professionals. When everyone is bearish, think bullish. Buy on the upticks. I used to do that. I used to buy on the rips, but then I found out that it was just easier for me to buy on the dips. Probably the fall exactly. The falling knife for me was my strategy. I found out I was better at it than buying the rips, buying on the pullbacks. And that's just me. Good for day trades, absolutely. Like what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. Everyone has a different strategy. FUD propaganda. Get ready for that FUD that's going to come out on GameStop this week, guys. This week is probably the most amount of massive FUD you will ever see on GameStop this week. You want to decide how you want to focus on approaching the market yourself. I agree. There is no one correct way. Well said, Craven. Well said. Price targets Tesla on a dip buy. I wanted to buy more Tesla as it came down under 600. Obviously, we have not yet to see sub 600 once again, but this is another price range I'm willing to add more shares on Tesla. Right around here, baby. 600, sub 600, ideally. I did. I thought you were gonna say you were gonna buy at 650. I I bought even earlier at 677. My trigger finger for Tesla. I always love me some cheap Tesla. I did buy at 677 on Tesla. So I'm already in, by the way. I couldn't even wait for 650. I could not wait. Every professional investor and trader has a different strategy. I agree. Look at how many projects the people at Shark Tank rejected, but then went to sell like hotcakes. I agree. That's why you never give up. That's why you never give up, man. That's why you never take no for an answer, no matter who it is from. You just gotta keep going. Every day, baby. Every day. I've heard of TCAT. TCAT has been hot. Ooh. Oh, wow. Nah, this is what I like to see right here. I like to see some momentum. I like to see some clear breakouts, man. Let me set my alert. Thanks for bringing this one up. I saw this one earlier, but I forgot about it. Thanks for bringing it up. Thoughts on Powell. We have Powell tomorrow, guys, as well. If I'm not mistaken, I believe Powell comes on tomorrow as well. It was on the Discord. Where did I see that? That guy should stay quiet. I'm not gonna fall for that, Eden. That is not a ticker. Jamer is not a ticker. Michael, that's a good rumor. That's the subscription model now is hot. Look at Netflix. Subscription model, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Disney Plus, right? That's what it's called, Disney Plus subscription model as well. Well, Ryan Cohen will go to a subscription plan on the 52 to 54 million subscribers with the promo code, perhaps 999 monthly with an 8% recapture rate. That's not bad of an idea or a concept. 4K news right here. If you have not heard it, straight from Ark Investment himself. Kathy was probably getting a lot of hate for this. Who here games? I'm an Elite Pro member. Who here games? Let me hear it. Let me hear it, baby. A big gamer. Uh, the one and only. What are you gonna try next on live camera? I don't know. You guys gave me some ideas. What do you guys think we should try next on live camera? Possibly Friday. I'm an epic gamer. My son is 80s Nintendo all day. Ed, Call of Duty. Call of Duty from time to time. I agree. From time to time. That's where I stand at. Devil May Cry 3. The PS5, yeah. It's coming, it's coming. Yeah, this is the only game I play in the stock market. Apex is popular too. Apex Legends, right? No, the PS5 giveaway has not started yet. I like this stock market game so far. But yeah, thank you for whoever brought up TCAT. I'm curious, anyone holding TCAT? Just such a clean technical breakout. From Monday, pulled back on Tuesday, Wednesday, shot back up. Thursday, continued run, pulls back, hits new high after hours, and on Friday, pretty much found some support right around 20, 29, 27. So I'm gonna set a couple alerts here. Another interesting one here. This might be a double bottom. It might come under 26. Neo, let's set alert on Neo. Quick little alert. A new gaming monitor from PS5. Oh, with the PS5, you really need a good gaming monitor. I recommend Acer. These are the monitors I trade, by the way, with. I know some of you probably wondering what I use to trade. I use the game. Use the anything with gaming, you can pretty much trade with. The mouse, the keyboard, everything. Haven't touched the game since I started playing the stock market. TCAT, a lot of scalpers were trading on Thursday and Friday. Yeah, I could kind of tell. You could tell on the chart for Friday. Oh, this is not TCAT. I don't know why I pulled up I don't know why I pulled up RKT. It might be a sign. Look at this. Pulls back 25. It gets immediately bought back up to like 34. And it has this very choppy pattern midday even on Friday. But what I see here, guys, is a descending triangle. So if it comes down under my alerts and to get triggered, might catch it bounce maybe at 22, 20, 22, 23. I have two monitors. Anything more than that is just too complicated. Keep it simple. TKI chart looks interesting. I don't know if about the company. Yeah, I don't really care about the company. All I care about is the technicals at this point, and if that volume is going to be present this week. Potential short squeeze on TK from 25 to 100 bucks. No, I don't think I'll hold for a short squeeze, by the way. I think I'm just gonna day trade it. Not pre-market. I'm gonna wait for market open. Oh, what's going on, Mike? What's going on? Welcome back. What's the latest on GameStop? We're waiting for Tuesday, guys. Who here is so thrilled, so excited for Tuesday? That's literally all I've been thinking. Other than the AMC 500 dilution, that's all I've been thinking. GameStop. GameStop. Yeah, the kiss method. Keep it simple, stupid, or stupid simple. Your bar charts accentuate my line charts to each his own style. Yeah, to each their own, man. That's why I keep it super simple. Just two indicators is all I use. Other than volume, it's the SMA and EMA. That's it. That is it. Less is more. Less is more. Monday comes in for Tuesday. I agree. Yeah, I know I always see these crazy, ridiculous price targets for AMC in game, even for AMC, 2,000 price target. But be real with yourself. I'm all for AMC pushing up, but you gotta keep it real, man. If AMC hits 100 bucks, are you gonna keep holding till it hits 2,000, or are you gonna take profits? Two blood pressure pills required on Tuesday. Tuesday's gonna be epic, man. No sleep for sure. Yahoo listed Walmart as the number one on their short list. I have Walmart. I agree with you, Mark. I plan to buy a quantity 1 GME 500. Call for the earnings report on Tuesday, the 23rd after hours. Absolutely. Hope for the report and forward guidance. Yes. Even the questions that are asked to me are more important than what they actually say. But I'm excited for both. Tuesday is the earnings call and the earnings report. After hours, by the way, too. And we're gonna be streaming the earnings call here on this channel too, just like we did with AMC, baby. That AMC day was so hyped. The ramp up with halts in mind. Usually for halts, it's just a hit or miss for me. I get lucky or I don't. Even when I first bought GameStop, when it wasn't the first time I bought GameStop. It was when I was day trading it when it was at 320. The first time around back in like January something when it got halted on the way down. It was just unfortunate. It was unlucky. I literally remember buying at 318, right around 320. Boom, it gets halted right away, and I got stuck. I got stuck holding it all the way down to 118. And I remember for Sundial, when I had Sundial at 80 something cents, I was trading this back when it was like 50 cents, but I kept taking profits. I wake up one morning, the stock's literally, I got 4 something. I sold immediately at market open, boom, got halted on the way down. You just don't know. I got lucky on some plays, I got lucky on others I don't. So it's just a hit or miss. Volume would be the indicator for that, by the way. JN, right? I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. JN? I'm just here for the Arby's reviews. Yeah, I took my price target for Sundial was like max like $2. I woke up and it's at 4. I'm like, I'm selling this. I'll buy it back when it's sub 1. Yeah, a lot of people were talking about Ford last week. A lot of people mentioned Ford. Trey's in the chat, baby. What's going on, Trey's Trades? We got the one and only Trey in the chat. Drop some gorillas, like he would say, right? Some GGs, yeah. Huge fan of Trey, by the way. Go check his channel out, guys. If you guys are not subscribed to Trey's Trades right now, go on YouTube, Trey's Trades, and just subscribe to him. Very, very strong info. Trey has like some of the best fundamentals you could ever analyze and find on stocks. um, I don't think there's a price target for AMC. I don't have a price target yet for AMC, guys. Not yet. For GameStop, yes. As of now, I'm gonna add more on the dip. More on the dip. Yeah, 100%. I agree. I appreciate that. Make sure you sub to him before you sub to me. No, go sub to Trace Trades first before you come here. The options god. Yeah, it's been crazy, right, Trey? With the whole OBS, the whole system, just I there's a lot of technical issues sometimes too. I have on camera, the mic, Kramer comes in, tries to shut off our internet. There's always a delay. There's always something wrong with YouTube too. He tweeted again? You guys better not get me. I think he tweeted. He did not tweet. His last tweet was the Michael Jackson halftime show, guys. Moonwalk? Is that what it is? Moonwalk? I saw the lawsuits, yes. I just blame Mr. Nicole, young Bulgarian boy. That's why I stopped using it. The day I lost 100K on options on Robinhood, that was it. February 27 of last year, that was done. I was done with Robinhood. Robinhood's due date was long overdue. It should have been done that day, then and there. Guys, Robinhood crashed on Monday and Tuesday, that following day on February 27 on Friday. I could not close anything. Nothing. People who got stuck holding SPY puts literally lost who knows how much amount of money. Those who held their calls and were not able to sell, they got lucky. Very, very lucky. Michael Jackson tweeted. No, Michael Jackson's one of my favorite, man. Leverage funds like SOXL. I don't. I do not. Nope. And since then, guys, since then, I have yet to touch options. I have not done options since then. Just be very safe with options, man. Know your risk and know what you're getting into. They always hear, oh, you can make a ton of money with options. I agree. People don't tell you can lose money as fast. Unleash the Kraken. Oh, that just had the split. I think TQ had the split. Anybody here trade the TQs and SQs? TQQQ. Can't get that right in there. I think it was TQs. TQs in the inverse SQs. What's the 10-year at? I believe it's at 1.7. I could check here, by the way. 1.71, I think. Robinhood's success derives from some simplicity and free trading. I agree, and they bonded themselves. Yes, all the years of hard work to just end it like this. And I started on Robinhood. And I loved it. It was just so simple. I'm a smooth brain ape. It had such a beautiful interface, buy and sell. Then as I started getting into day trading, I realized the executions are so bad. They are so bad. I cannot get filled. Horrible. That's why I'm on Thinkorswim now. So, yeah, they messed up. Robinhood, they fumbled the bag, man. So even with AMC coming up this week, the next biggest catalyst, I guess you can say, for AMC is GameStop earnings. That's the next biggest catalyst for AMC is the GameStop earnings. As crazy as that sounds, the only thing I'm worried about is just like we had this push here on GameStop, guys, on Friday. This push to 227 was crazy. I was just so excited over it. But AMC, guys, it got held down. This literally traded like up the penny stock you guys were showing me, Global Star GSAT. Look at this. That's not right. That is not right. AMC should have been easily at $16. We had a price target for AMC of $18 on Friday. It should have been near that. 100%. Elon did a share recall. Yes, he did a recall and then he split. And then he split. If Ryan Cohen does the same thing, get ready for the squeeze. That's exactly what I had covered. There's so many possibilities that can happen with the GameStop, guys. GameStop has not said anything. They have not even diluted. Nothing. Like AMC did. Nothing. I have yet to vote on the AMC survey. You guys have till May 4th, I believe. Yeah, TQ did the split, right? They did the split. Man, this Visa is literally my dead cat play right here. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting, guys. I'm gonna add more. I only have a small position, 5 shares, just because if it pulls under 200, the stop loss is gonna go crazy. And I'll probably add more shares at 190, 198, around there. But one bounce that I did miss was General Electric GE. Look at this. Same play. From 1450 to down to 12. This is the play here, the bounce. Same thing that happened a while back with Alibaba when Jack Ma went missing. This play here, man, it happened too fast, too quick, too fast right here. So I'm patiently waiting for that. Thank you, Trey, for stopping by. I truly appreciate that. Much love, brother. Off to my Discord chat with some other apes. Yeah, apes worldwide. Gorilla Gang is worldwide. Peace out and hot on. Thank you, Trey, for tuning on in. I appreciate that. Truly do. We are ready in for today's Sunday, right? Yeah. It's already Monday tomorrow. We're in for another battle. We're in for another battle tomorrow, guys. AMC is not a distraction. Hey, I don't know where you guys get these ideas. AMC holders need to sell and move to GameStop. AMC is a hedge fund distraction play. Jack Ma is not dead, by the way. I don't know where you guys get these concepts from. You should have gotten an email to vote, whether it was whatever broker you're on. So in this case, you get an email from TD Ameritrade. Geez, another short stock. See, I'm not playing the short. That's the thing too. When I buy these stocks, I'm literally just buying for the technical bounce. That's it. That's it. Like I'm waiting for the bounce. If it squeezes and it shoots up to a ridiculous price, that just benefits me, you know? Better for us. No one really knows the short interest for GameStop, guys. No one knows. Brian Cohen will send GameStop flying to 500. I think he's gonna send it flying. My gut is just telling me that something crazy is about to happen this week with GameStop. SRNE, that's another ticker that has been brought up recently. All I see here is a massive head and shoulders pattern. I mean, very solid uptrend on the technicals. Again, I don't know what your plan is fundamentally. Uh, phase 1B study. Don't tell me it's another vaccine play. I don't do vaccine plays. I don't do Moderna. I don't do J&J. I don't do Pfizer. TD Ameritrade had AMC Friday closed at $14. Really? No, mine shows 13.93. It closed under 14. Jose, I agree. AMC's in debt. That's why they just trying. They paid off a chunk of debt though. By the way, they trying to have more stock to make more money. It's just a business. That's the thing. That's also what came to my mind earlier. I was thinking, man, like you know how we're playing this for the squeeze, or I don't know what you guys what your thesis is on AMC, but that's another thing that I came to my smooth brain was that I don't think AIM the company cares about the squeeze, guys. That's another thing that came to my mind. I don't think their main priority is the squeeze. These guys at the company and that just came from we're just coming out of a pandemic. I don't know if I should have said that word on YouTube, but I did. Their main priority right now is to survive. What's up? What's up, Heath? Welcome. I don't do silver. I'm gonna get water. Yeah, they don't need the. They have like what 1.2 billion cash. I don't think they need the money now, and that's why exactly on the first voting question it says reserve the right, if I'm not mistaken, the key words there, just in case down the road Q3, Q4 at the end of the year things get a little shaky. They don't expect the numbers they want. That's why I'm saying like if there's one thing, guys, if you guys really love the stock, if there's one thing you can do to save this company is go to the movies, buy a ticket and go to the movies. or the Amazon Netflix buyout. That's also a big possibility. With my little tinfoil hat, of course. Boss Ape Aaron. I also think Aaron is not a smooth brain. Also, I think he knows what he's doing. I think he's playing his cards right as well. I don't think Tesla's. I don't. I didn't. I didn't state that. Kathy Woods Arc did. They have a price target of Tesla of 4,000 bullish case by 2025. I know, right, Michael? So very nice to have a discussion on this beautiful Sunday pre-market with all the familiar folks, all the apes. We have an amazing community here, guys. Doge's about to rip faces off when it pumps. I think Doge is gonna retest, guys. The Echo Apes, of course. Guys, guess who's calling me right now? My boy with the PlayStation. PS5's here. I can't even answer because I'm using my camera. You know what? Let's see. Guys, you know what? Should we give away two PS5s? I think I'm gonna give away two PS5s. I'm in a good mood. I am in a good mood. What should tell that news channel will you wait, what? What should tell that news channel you will do the interview if they get Kramer? What would you guys do if one day I just go live and I'm like, here's our guest, Jim Kramer. You know what? We're gonna do that. We're gonna give away two PS5s. Why? Because stocks only go up, baby. We're giving away two PS5s. We are giving away two PS5s. Because we have the best community on YouTube, the best stock community. One PS5, the Kramer, one the Melvin. Guys, I'm still trying to figure out how we're gonna do it. How we're gonna do this? How we're gonna do this giveaway to avoid these rigged comments. I don't think we're gonna do it on YouTube, by the way. I don't think we should do it on YouTube. Austin, my new fave channel, welcome. I think we're gonna give away some RB stock, RB gift cards. Do it on OnlyFans. That was actually my boy, yeah, calling me. So, Instagram Live. We could do Instagram. We could do. All right. You know what? We could do one on Instagram and one on Twitter. I'm not a PS5 scalper, but my boy who is selling me the PS5 is. But hey, to each their own, man. Some you guys gotta make your living. You gotta make your living. Jose sauce, yeah, that sauce is still in the kitchen. It scares me when I see it. This morning I passed by and gave me that look. I'm a stock scalper. I am not a PS5 scalper. Our future does not leave our eyes off these bad boys. Not moving too much, barely green, but green is better than red. I need a normal price console. There is no retail PS5s anymore. They're all sold out. They're the hedgies of retail. You should raffle one of Jan's special packages. No, Jan sent us this. You should do a stream with Trey Trays. Yeah, we're working on that. We're working on that. He was here earlier. You guys saw? Trey hopped in. I was like, wow, Trey. Trey's the man. So we're still working on that. Yeah, these PS5 scalpers, man, they don't leave some for us. But there's always restocks though. We just gotta wait. Someone said that you look like Dyrus. Who is Dyrus? I've been wondering. You got me Googling people now. Dyrus. So, oh, he's a pro gamer. I heard that and I thought GameStop. He can't get his streaming equipment right. Sounds like a problem I have. Um, looks more like Johnny Sins to me. All right, futures are pulling back. Guys, futures are not going to be nowhere near these levels by market open. I love your stream. I appreciate that. I lost 80K due to Coinbase account freeze back in 2007. You keep it so positive and know how much it takes to get through platform, causing you loss. I'm sorry to hear that, and I know exactly how you feel. I know exactly how you feel. But the thing is, you can always bounce back 100%. You can always bounce back from anything. Anything. Just a test of your faith, your perseverance, your patience. So I think that's what we're gonna do for the giveaway, guys. I think we might just make it one on Twitter and one on Instagram. Because I know there's some of you guys who don't have one or the other. And just to get back to you guys. I think we should start it tomorrow. Should we start the giveaway tomorrow? I'm still waiting to get the crypto set up, guys. Um, for those of you who want to hop on next Sunday onto the stream with me, I dropped the Discord right now. So just go ahead and hop in the Discord really quick. You guys can find me there as well after hours during market open, by the way. I send in the Discord really quick. Can you explain the SMA EMA during a squeeze? I don't know what you mean by during a squeeze. It just tracks the closing price, the average closing price on whatever day you want it. So I have it for 13 days for my EMA and 200 days for my SMA. Simple moving average is up here and the EMA is in blue. I don't know what you mean by during a squeeze. I mean, during this, when it shoots up, it's gonna cross above. Is that if that what you meant? It's gonna cross above. All right, let's see. I have Coinbase. All right, let's see. All right, yeah, we're doing that. All right, I'm gonna plug in my Twitter real quick. I have Binance, but they never accepted my application. Binance. I have Blockfolio though. Blockfolio. What are you doing on your dad's YouTube account? What? So surprise Coinbase doesn't charge you to open the app. Alrighty. Guys, I gotta get this PlayStation really quick. But we should be starting the giveaway tomorrow. Please settle an argument between Mad Wifey and me is eating cheating. I don't know what you mean by that. Starting the rig away. That's one of the reasons I wanted to do on Instagram. Whoever wins, if you can please send me a picture with the PS5 to prove you're not my cousin. How does one react in Discord? You should be able to right click it. No Arby's, of course. Let's see. All right, let's see. I think we might end it here, guys. We're just waiting for tomorrow. I would love though to have Kramer on one day. One day in the not so distant future, Jim Kramer is going to be on the stream, guys. That's my goal. One day we're gonna have Kramer on here. But as of now, guys, I'm gonna go grab these PS5s, and if you guys haven't already, if you find value in live analysis, hit the subscribe button, baby. Positive vibes. Let's see. But that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna end it here, baby. I'll see you guys tomorrow at market open. Ring the bell. One day, maybe. One day we're gonna ring the bell. Stonks only go up. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in once again. We'll start the giveaways this week. Who's excited? I'm thrilled. I'm excited. Corey Edwards being aggressive. Yeah, the Discord's in there. I'll plug it in one more time. Tell Kramer the PS5 Flex said we say hey. I appreciate you, Corey. I know you were just messing, but I leave you guys with futures up. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your Sunday. Rest, relax, because we're in for another fight. Hopefully, we don't have any more manipulation. This was just straight up in our faces. Get a bell off Amazon. We already have a bell on Think or Swim. I'll plug in the Twitter one more time. But with that being said, peace, everybody. 6 a.m. Pacific is when we start the streams.